Hello friends. The do's and don'ts of elevator safety. For millions of workers, riding in an elevator is an everyday occurrence. If you use elevators at work, follow these do's and don'ts from the Elevator Escalator Safety Foundation to help stay safe. Do. Number 1. Watch your step when getting in or out of an elevator to avoid tripping. Number 2. Hold the handrail if one is available, and stand next to the walls, away from the door. Number 3. Stay calm if you find yourself stuck in an elevator. Use the elevator's alarm button or emergency contact button to get help. Number 4. Reassure and calm anyone who is panicked about being stuck in the elevator. Number 5. Stay in a stuck elevator, don't attempt to pry open the doors. The inside of an elevator is the safest place to be while the elevator is stopped. Stay quiet and wait for safety instructions. Now, don't. Number 1. Use an elevator in the event of a fire. Take the stairs instead. Number 2. Get no an overly crowded elevator. It may be reaching its weight capacity, so it's better to wait for the next one. Number 3. Do not attempt to keep doors open by placing objects or body parts in their way. Number 4. If trapped in the elevator, press the alarm button and wait for the service center to help. Do not attempt to get out on your own. Keep calm and follow elevator procedures. Sukoji, dedicated to all elevator needs. Thank you.